I've had some teachers ask me if it's possible to make text boxes as draggables in Pear Deck. The short answer is no, you can't do that. But if you're doing something like chronological order and you want to have students move things and put them in order, what you could do is set up a slide that doesn't have to look exactly like this, obviously, but something like this where they have to drag something to a box. And the nice thing that you can do is Pear Deck has the option to change your draggables so you don't just have to stick with the generic dot. There are numbers that you could can make as draggables. Now there are different colors. Now me being colorblind, these don't help a whole lot, but for most people, these will be really helpful to be able to gauge student understanding really quickly. So I'm going to do this. So I'm assuming, I think it switches to all 4 different colors there. And here you can adjust the size. You don't want to make the numbers too big, probably because it's going to, if you have a large class per se, you might have a lot of big numbers in that box and it might be hard to tell whose is whose. So I'm going to make them a little bit smaller. That way students might space them out a little bit more in the box. I'm going to update my slide. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to present this in student paste mode so you can see what it looks like on the student side of things, as well as turn on the teacher dashboard so you can see what it looks like from their end of things. All right, so let's copy this link and let's go here, copy the link here. All right, so now as the student, I can go in and drag those events around. And so here are my icons. Let's see. Civil War. All right, so I've got them from the teacher dashboard here. What I have is I can see that if I know that Revolutionary Wars are going to have all ones, and if you are not colorblind, which is awesome, I'm jealous of you, you're able to tell, like, okay, if there's something other than this color in there, you know it's wrong. And you can hover over it and see. That's where the colors could be helpful for a lot of you. You can see it kind of stand out especially if it's jumbled up with a bunch of other things. So I can see who did it correctly by just hovering over the icons. So this is good for just a student check, seeing who's getting it, who's not. Maybe not good for a final assessment because it is kind of hard to read, but it might be a way to do chronological order with Pear Deck and not having the ability to drag around text boxes. So I hope this was helpful. If not, I apologize. I'll try to do more helpful things in the future.